Our other big story this evening, Iowa's ban on abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected will go into effect on Monday morning. KCCI's Marcus McIntosh is live outside the State House. Marcus, a deeply emotional issue for people on both sides of this.
Yes, it is, Jody. Both sides have long dug their feet in the dirt, refusing to budge, believing and holding firm to their beliefs. But one thing they can agree on is this fight is far from finished.
Dr. Francesca Turner, who runs Iowans for Health Liberty, called it a disappointment this morning.
I felt that it was really unfortunate for the women and families and communities of Iowa.
The law bans abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected, which is usually around 6 weeks. Dr. Turner is worried this could affect medical care for everyone in Iowa.
So when we make it harder for physicians to want to come here, they don't want to risk being a criminal, they don't want to risk their medical license, so they're going to be less likely to want to come and work in our state.
Dr. Turner is adamant the government is overstepping its reach in telling women what they can and can't do with their bodies.
And the bottom line is, pregnancy is too complicated to legislate. We need to trust women that they know what to do for themselves and their families, and the government should not interfere in the physician-patient relationship.
The head of a local pro-life group had a different reaction to the order.
Finally.
Maggie DeWitty, executive director of Pulse Life Advocates, says this effort started back in 2018 with a long-term goal that has never wavered.
Pro-life movement has been working endlessly and tirelessly to see that women and families are protected.
DeWitty says efforts have come a long way, from having no limitations or restrictions to a 20-week abortion restriction, now the heartbeat restriction. She says despite the victory, the fight forges forward.
We are here to protect all life, and that includes from the moment of conception. And that's really our gold standard. And so we're going to keep fighting until all babies and all women are protected here in Iowa.
Dr. Turner also says the fight is far from over, saying she has to take care of people at their most vulnerable moments in their lives and will not let the government interfere with that. DeWitty says the pro-life fight won't end until there's a ban on abortion from conception forward. We're live in Des Moines in front of the State House. I'm Marcus McIntosh, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.